Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with HubSpot for real estate lead management. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the HubSpot website. Log in to your HubSpot account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the sign-up prompts. Navigate to the HubSpot dashboard once you are logged in. Locate the Integrations section, which is typically found in the Settings menu. Click on the Integrations tab. Select API Key under the Integrations options. If you haven't created an API key yet, click on Create API Key. Copy the generated API key to your clipboard. Next, open your real estate lead management software. Find the Settings or Integrations area in your lead management software. Look for the option to integrate with HubSpot. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the designated field. Save the changes to your integration settings. Now, return to your HubSpot account. Navigate to your Contacts section. Confirm that your leads are now syncing between your real estate lead management software and HubSpot. Test the integration by creating a new lead in your lead management software. Check your HubSpot account to verify that the new lead appears. Review any additional settings to ensure that lead information is transferred correctly. You may want to set up workflows to automate follow-ups within HubSpot. Take time to explore HubSpot's features for effective lead management. Utilize the reporting tools to monitor your leads' progress. Make adjustments to your integration settings as needed for optimal performance. You are now fully authenticated with HubSpot for real estate lead management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.